Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your brother Wild Israelite, and from Travel Issachar. And today I'm just gonna go over just a quick video on how to make, like a quick do-it-yourself homemade fringes on your clothing. Okay, so now this is my hat right here. Okay, just a little camouflage hat that I got. I've had this for a while, and today I went and picked up this hoodie over at Ross. Okay, and this hoodie is 100% polyester. Okay, this hoodie is 100% polyester. I get this from Hobby Lobby. I get this from Hobby Lobby. And right there it says 100% polyester. Okay, and same with the fringes. All the fringes that I get. If you guys ever need like fringes, Hobby Lobby, it's the best place to go and get them. Okay, so anytime you guys need them, you go get them over there. Okay, they got all kinds of different styles of fringes. Okay, you go pick them up. So I got those white ones right there. I got some silver ones right here. Okay, got some silver ones right there. And also I got the gold ones. Got the gold ones right there. Okay, so right now I'm in the process of making this hoodie right here that I got. Okay, I'm in the process of making this hoodie right here. Have fringes on it. Okay, I'm also gonna put some fringes like right here on the tips over here, so you'll probably see me have those on there. Okay, I'll probably make a couple of videos with these on there, with this shirt. But yeah, anyways, guys, I don't have like a stitching machine or anything like that, but I also use this type of glue right here. It's called White Blanco E6000 flexible paintable, and it's like it's a really heavy duty glue. Okay, now it's really strong. I got this also at Hobby Lobby. That's where I usually get all my stuff. I like arts and crafts, so Hobby Lobby is one of my best stores I like to go and shop at. So, but anyways, all you have to do is just find the same fabric as your fringes, your ribbon, and your clothing. Make sure it's all lined up with inside of Numbers chapter 15 verse 38. All that good stuff. Right now I'm in the process of adding these on there. Okay, so it's still semi-loose. Okay, but anyways, that's just how it's gonna look nice when it's fully done. Okay, even got the hat. Got the hat whenever it's done. Okay, even I got the camouflage beanie, not the beanie, but the bandana. Okay. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Where you can get your fringes. I actually make these myself. So if you guys have any questions or if you guys have any requests, just let me know. Like I said, guys, I do a lot of this stuff on my own. It's pretty cool. And also, I also have a garment. Okay, I also got garments, so I'm trying to make this into something. Okay, got the the neck part sticking out over here. Okay, I got the borders of blue. I didn't put the fringes on this one yet. I also got the Mitri. Got the Mitri right here. Match it. Okay. And this one right here is the main shirt I used to go preaching. Okay, You know, this is one of my favorite shirts right here. This is all poly. It's a pretty nice tee. Okay, you even got the button up and all that. Okay, borders are blue, the white fringes. Okay, it's one of my favorite shirts right here. Okay, it's pretty nice. Like I said, guys, I make these by myself. You know, I handcraft this stuff. You know, got a little bit of skills in me. And then this shirt right here, okay, you guys see me wear this one plenty of times. This is the 12 Tribes of Israel shirt that I have, okay. I love this shirt. Shirt's pretty cool. I'll turn it over on the back. Got the tribe on there, tribe of Issachar, okay. Got the little donkey. You know, as Mexicans, you know, we're always working hard. Issachar became a servant into tribute. Okay. But yeah, like I said, guys, if you guys have any questions, you know, just holla. You know, if you guys got any requests, you know, just let me know, and I'll try to do my best for you guys. Shalom and blessings, and Shabbat Shalom.